Welcome to my channel. This is Arduino Uno என்கின்ற microcontroller board. This is connected to the PC with USB port and appropriate software is loaded. This is controlling the L293 DC motor controller. This motor controller is used to drive 4 submersible motors. This can be used as a water fountain with appropriate design in the flow outlet. You see the working of the water fountain. The software needed for driving the 4 DC motor is developed in the IDE and uploaded to the microcontroller board, and the details are available in the link given in the explanatory column. Please download for constructing a good water fountain. Thank you.